Welcome to the Crazy Golfers, and today we have come to the Whiston Golf Course Boomerang Club to play our first round on the modified course. So today I'll capture the course so that you can have a look around what are the modifications and new holes. So see you on the course. We are heading to the hole number 1, which was earlier hole number 15. So they have merged hole number 15 and 16 and made a difficult par 4. This was a restroom, and now there you will eat food. It's a starter hut now, and that was hole number 14 earlier. Island green, one of the beautiful hole, and now it's not available to play.
I wasn't able to hit a hole in one ever in this hole. I wished to hit a hole in one before it got closed, but
that was the old hole. So now this is new hole number 1. Hole number 1, par 4, 454 yards. First you have a long straight shot, 250 yards you can hit a straight, and then the green is on the left side, so it has become now a dog leg, and there would be water before the green, so that's the challenge in approach shot. After a long time, and let's see how I will play, but I'll record her videos.
6 under.
Yes, come on. So she's playing 450 yards from the black tee. It has become a very long hole from 450 for her, and there is water body before the green, so she needs to lay up from here. Let's see if it is safe or not, otherwise she would have played slightly left in the line of that bunker, then she would have landed in the fairway. The ball is just safe from the water. Now it's 55 yards to the pin. It's front pin. Yeah, okay, good shot. Stay. So rolled a bit. It was her first putt, almost from the center. It's the second putt for bogey. For her it was a long hole. She should play from blue tee instead of black. Yeah, bogey. That is hole number 1. Oh sorry, hole number 2, par 5, 487 yards. It's a straight hole. Straight hole, not very long, par 5, easy to make eagle or birdie. Straight hole, slightly left and then right. So left to right dog leg, slight dog leg, so pulled it, went too much. Okay, on the left edge of fairway rough, and she should have kept it straight over there. It's a shot from the bunker. Okay, chucked it, landed on the front edge of green. It's a long birdie putt for her, around 30 feet or so, up and then down, breaking from right. Missed the line, but yeah, good putt. This is hole number 3, par 4. This is old hole number 18. It's around 360, 370 yards, so you need to just carry the water. That is not in the play anyway, and just need to, green is on the left side, so right to left. First it is fairway is going left to right, then right to left, and before the green you need to avoid the water. So in tee shot you can easily carry the water, or you can go in the wrong fairway on the right side, who cannot hit straight, and then the green is on the left side and there is water before the green. So you need to avoid that water body going on the left side from the front. Slope is also taking towards water, right to left, so keep safe or keep slightly right of the green. Our tee shot was center fairway. It's around 160 for her. Let's see. Okay, attack the green from the right front edge, just little short on the front from the green frontage. Around 25 or so. Yeah, good chip. Checked it. That's par putt. Oh, missed it. Yes, bogey. That is hole number 4, hole number 1. Hole number 4, par 4, 295. So short par 4, but you have water body on the right side, so just need to avoid water. Keep left. Should be okay. Earlier that was the green, old green, but now they have merged the first and second, old first second holes. So now the green is on the left side, so it has become a dog leg hole, and you cannot go on the left because of the tree line. So you need to come straight in this fairway, and then from here you need to approach left to the green. That's the green on the left side. Our ball is in the rough, on the left rough. Little tough, it will go in bunker. Her ball is in bunker. Little low, but yeah, good spin.
Whoa, well out.
Rolled a bit. That's a par putt on this par 4 hole.
Nice.
Yes, good par. That's hole number 5, 377 yards from the blue tee. It's a straight hole, you can hit as long as you can. Just need to avoid the trees on the right and OB on the left, otherwise it's a quite wide open hole. The tee shot is center fairway, just need to avoid the left right green side bunker. It's around 170 yards. Looks good shot. Should reach, slightly cut, landed before the green and went in the right deep green. Grass, kind of grass bunker, sorry, deep bunker on the right. Didn't draw. Ball is in bunker. Stopped it. That's long putt for her. Okay, good try. Missed. That's hole number 6, 373 yards, par 4. It's a slightly difficult par 4. You need to carry the water in the drive, and on the approach shot there is water body on the left, and green is narrow starting on the green on the front and right. Okay, carried the water, but in the right rough behind that tree on the right. Tee shot is behind the tree, just need to punch out in the fairway and keep safe from the right tree and right bushes and left water. She just chipped out in the rough. Need to keep safe from the right tree line, and still need to keep safe. No, hit in the tree, big tree. Should have avoided this tree, and water body is on the left, so she has come in the wrong fairway, and from here it's a clear approach, by the way. It's around 160, 170 yards to the green. It's like he kept it right green edge, it would be on the green right side. Chipping from the green right. Yeah, good chip.
ये हो गया है
This is
7
7 number.
shot.
Okay, good shots. Just need to avoid the left water. Landed in water, pulling it. Taken a penalty drop. 154. Need to avoid the right side because the slope of this green will take right. Left side it is safe. Looks like okay. Rolled a bit on the right side of the green. She needs to chip from the green right edge. Go!
Wow, good.
This is hole number 8, par 4, straight par 4. Okay, good drive. It would be center fairway. Yeah, good one. She's stuck on the lip of the bunker. It's difficult shot, standing was not there. Just punched it out Could be short of the green. Chip from the green front. Yeah, okay, good chip. Just little short, but it record. Par? Par. So this is hole number 9, par 3, 150 yards from the blue tee box. It's a tabletop green, and there is bunker, big deep grass, and big bunker on the left and right, both deep bunkers. Okay, just on the pin. Good one. That's her ball. It was in the line of the pin. That's the deep bunker, grass bunker, and it has less sand and the grass. So sand is very less and deep bunker. So if you are stuck on the sand, then it's very difficult to hit any shot. You can see my ball is in bunker and I don't have clear standing because the sand is very less and it's deep. You can see how deep it is. I can't see the flag completely. She missed her birdie putt, so par for her. You can see the deep bunker. Yeah, well out. That was a practice shot. So that's hole number 10. It's par 4. Need to avoid the right water line. Right over. Yeah, perfect. So landed center but rolled a bit towards right edge of green, center green. From the fairway edge, and kept it safe on the slightly left side of the green because there is water body. You need to carry the water, so it's safe to, if you are right side on the fairway, then you can keep left of the water body to reach the green. Thing from the green, okay, 3 feet. Kept it little short. That's par, but par. Now this is hole number 11, par 4. Straight hole, just need to avoid the right water body, and it's going right, slightly cut kind of. Should keep always safe on the left edge of left center fairway. The ball is safe from the water on the right edge rough. It's around 85 or so. Oh, quite left. Yeah, left center green, not bad. The pin is very difficult position. Side slope up and then down. Near the green it's down. Yeah, controlled putt, good putt. Still around 5 feet. 5, yeah, slightly down from left. Missed and went too much. Missed third putt and fourth. Hole number 12, par 5, 502 yards. It's a straight hole, just need to keep safe from the tree line. Yeah, over the trees, and in the fairway it's the first slightly left to right, and then keep safe. Second shot you should keep safe on the left side because there is water body in the approach on the right side of the green. Ball is safe in the center fairway, left center. Second shot need to keep safe on the slightly left. It has gone center, not bad, but there is water body on the right side. If you keep safe in the line of that center building and left bunker, from there it's a very clear approach to the green on the right. Her second shot is safe in the center fairway. Just need to carry the water and trees. Yeah, good shot, not bad. Should be, yeah, went over a little bit, rolled to the back edge. Birdie putt, down slope to control, miss the line. Par putt, par. This is hole number 13 now, par 3, 219 yards. Good shot on the green front edge, little short. Chipped from the green front. Yeah, good chip, even. Yeah, par. That's now hole number 14, par 4, 304 yards. It's a straight hole. You need to avoid left right. Not a difficult hole. That's from the green, from the fairway right edge, it's around 120. Oh, little short on the green front edge. That's her birdie putt up slope. Little short. Kept it 1 foot short. And that's my approach shot, just 1 foot.
Missed the idea.
That's hole number 15, 375. Good drive.
Shot.
It's a kind of challenging hole because on the right side there is OB and on the left you have this tree and all. So if you are before this tree or behind this tree, you have difficult approach shot. So very narrow approach. This is old hole number 22 where she made a hole in one two years back on 8th October. Now it's par 4, 180 190 yards or so. I think a 3-wood shot. Looks good shot, but slightly fade. Okay, on the right side maybe. Her shot was little short. Center flag, no, kept it too short. Still a long putt. That's hole number 16, par 3. 130. No, missed right. Didn't hit properly. Not a good shot. That's hole number 17. Hole par 4, 353, 60 yards or so. Yeah, good drive, but slightly right. It's a difficult hole because right side it's all OB and there is water body behind this mount on the left. That is going till the green on the left side. So from it's island green on the left, and also if you go over those small trees right side, there is water. So water over there and behind these trees. So you have very small landing zone just in the line of this building, but before the trees. That's a very difficult hole now. It's water on the left and right. No, cut it. It will go in maybe water or green or the bunker. There is
Maybe
bunker, and it's a narrow green. It's very narrow, and yeah, it's water all the sides. Her ball is safe on the in the rough on the right side. It's a difficult hole to
Good chip.
approach. Yeah, better. Good one. That's the new clubhouse building. Beautiful. It's night, and
135.
that's her tee shot. Hole number 18. This was 13 earlier. Green?
Center green है.
Center green in the night, in the dark. It's birdie putt, miss the line. Par in the dark. Played with the cart light, cart set light. We finished our round. It was challenging few holes, like 17 and 1 are especially very challenging, where you need to plan to lay up and then go for the green. You can't go easily on the green, and even the tee shot you need to plan. Few difficult holes because of the change. So we'll post some more videos. Keep on watching Crazy Golfers. Happy golfing. Bye bye. Take care.